Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I painted this little slide and swing that I got from the Dollar Tree, as well as a few things I picked up shopping. This is the little swing set. And this is the slide. They're both very bright and I want them to look more realistic, so I'm going to paint them. I put them together to show you guys, but I would definitely recommend painting them before you put them together. And I also use craft paint, and I think maybe spray paint would work a lot better. So for the slide, I wanted the slide part to be yellow and the rest of it to be brown. For the swing, I started out painting it blue. It looked really bad and I wanted it to fit in more with the slide, so I did go back and paint it brown. Alright, while the paint is drying, I wanted to show you these Totally Tinies I got from the Dollar Tree. The first set comes with a little cookie and some macaroons. The second one is a double of the cookie and the macaroons. And this one is a little taco and a little churro. I would like to find some more of these. I'd like to have multiples, but unfortunately my Dollar Tree only had these 3. Because I got double, I decided to cut the macaroons apart. And the blue one probably isn't usable now because I did cut off the 2 from the other end. Next, from the Dollar Tree, I got these little dresses. I wanted to see how they would look on a Chelsea doll. So the quality isn't the best, and I think this first one, the blue one, will need some alterations. It's a little too big through the shoulders for the Chelsea doll. This one fits pretty good. as does this one. This yellow dress is strapless. I don't think it looks very good on the Chelsea doll, but I think maybe if you put a jacket over it, it would work. I found this little bicycle set at Five Below. I pretty much bought it for the bike. This little doll has the softest hair I've ever felt on a doll. The little bike is really cute though. And the bike and the helmet do fit the Chelsea doll. I tried to put the doll that came with it on. She actually doesn't even fit on the bike. Here you can see I went back with the brown paint and painted the swing. I got this Barbie Extra doll at Walmart on clearance for $15. Here she is out of the box. I just think she is so pretty. I totally didn't realize the skirt came off, and I love it. I love it without the big plastic skirt. here is the finished swing set and slide. I do still have a couple of areas that I need to go back and repaint, but they turned out pretty cute. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.